Metamask is the most popular browser crypto wallet for Ethereum and Ethereum-based tokens, also referred to as ERC20 tokens. Some of these you might have heard of, like Chainlink, Aave, Uniswap, and SushiSwap. In this video, I'll show you how to install and use Metamask and interact with simple protocols like Uniswap. So first, we'll download Metamask and install it. Add it to Chrome, add extension, and get started. We'll set up a new wallet and select the password. This password is for logging into Metamask on this browser. It's very important that you write your secret recovery phrase on paper and store it in a safe place. If anyone gets a hold of these words, they can recover your wallets and take all its contents. So I'll go remind me later because I don't want to show my secret phrase on camera. And this is my account. I'm ready to go. This over here, the address starting with 0x, that is your Ethereum-based wallet address. So when you want to receive funds from somebody else, you give them this. Click it and copy it. Now that we've installed Metamask in Chrome, we should enable the Metamask browser pop-up. We click on this little puzzle piece here, and then click on the little thumbtack icon, which stickies Metamask into the browser. You'll now see this little fox icon. Clicking on this will bring up the Metamask pop-up. The Metamask pop-up makes it easy to interact with DeFi protocols. I transferred a little ETH into the wallet address we just created. Now let's do a simple swap of Ethereum-based tokens on Uniswap. Head over to uniswap.org. Uniswap is the most used and well-known automated market maker, or AMM, in DeFi, and it's quite straightforward to understand. Let's launch it. Let's connect our wallet. We select Metamask, allow Metamask to view the contents of our wallet. Okay, now we're connected. You can see here that I have 0.598 ETH. I also have 2,328 USDC. What I'm going to do is convert my USDC, swap my USDC into ETH. So I want to swap all of them. First, I have to allow Uniswap to use my USDC. Then it shows me that the USDC I have in my wallet, 2,328, will be converted into almost half an ETH. Let's continue with a swap. Confirm the swap. Now, Metamask pop-up will come up after I press confirm, and they estimate the gas fee, the cost to do the swap, will be $168. And it's likely to be confirmed in less than 30 seconds. So let's confirm that. Transaction has been submitted into the blockchain. So we can actually view the transaction on a blockchain explorer. And it says that it expects this transaction to be completed in 45 seconds. And it has been completed. We have swapped 2,328 US dollars for 0.5 ETH. And you can see here in Uniswap that my balance has increased. My ETH balance has increased. I can also look at my ETH balance on Metamask itself. And I have 0 USDC now and 1.07 ETH.